Hi, I'm Carrie. Welcome to Awake and Alive Empowerment. Enjoy the video. The Drama Llama Triangle. Do you have drama in your life? How would you like out of that drama? The drama you're in can be a crisis or an opportunity. It's your choice what you want to make out of it. So this is my door opener for Awake and Alive Empowerment. Let's look at the choices on how I can maybe help you. Well, one of the first things we can do is sit down and maybe help you let down some of your walls. Then we can help you with your shadow talk. It can really mess us up. So let's see if we can manage it. At Awake and Alive Empowerment, I'd love to help you with relationship conflict. It seems to cause the most drama. If you're having some drama in your relationship as a couple, maybe we can sit down and work it out. There are many blended families today. I have one, and I have lots of experience. Or maybe you're a single parent and could use some support. Would you like to talk? Check out the men's workshops. They're awesome for supporting and encouraging one another to move out of our situations. Responsibility, stress, seriousness. Have fun again. Find your heart. Are you experiencing stress in your job or trying to find some meaning and purpose in your career? Sometimes we're swimming in a concrete world and we need a break, possibly a nature break. Well, if you really want to get out of drama, I guess we need to pursue peace. So let's start. Now that's a nice picture. Well, I have nature sessions, and my first session is free. A few years ago, I found myself way off track. I took some personal development workshops, and it did really help. At Awake and Alive Empowerment, I would love to help you get started, which is always the hardest part. If you're not sure yet, maybe you could use just a little bit more encouragement. Are you living on the edge? Ever thought of skydiving? No, that's scary. But if we can do this work together with some faith over fear, who knows? Have you ever heard of the saying, you can't teach an old dog new tricks? I don't think that's true. Let's prove them wrong. It can be tough out there, but staying in the game is worth it. So come on, give this personal development a try. Getting wisdom is the wisest thing you could actually do. So dive in. Let's make a splash on your Awake and Alive Empowerment. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to